friends, same college, same grades. 5 years later, one is stuck at 6 LPA doing the same Excel sheets he was doing in year 1. And the other one, 40 LPA working on AI system used by millions of people. What changed? One of them figured out which AI career to aim for and started building exactly the right skills. The other one kept googling how to learn AI and never really started. Today I am going to make sure that you are the second friend. I am breaking down every major AI careers, technical and non-technical, the real AI skills each one of you need, actual salary ranges, and at the end I will tell you that one question you need to ask yourself to figure out which path is yours. Stay till the end. That one question could genuinely change your career. So before we dive in, let's kill one myth right now. You probably have seen thumbnails like learn AI in 7 days and get hired. I'm not going to do that with you. Building a real AI career takes months of focused work. But here's the good news. It's absolutely doable. And the demand is insane right now. Every role I'm covering today has two types of skills, tool skills and core skills. Tool skills cover actual software, languages and frameworks. Core skills cover communication, problem solving and business thinking. Both matters. Companies don't just want coders, they want people who can think. Alright, let's get into it. Technical roles first. So first role is data scientist. You know how when you go to a doctor, they don't just guess what's wrong. They look at your blood reports, scans and history and then they give you a diagnosis. A data scientist does the same exact thing but for businesses. A company gives you millions of rows of customer data and asks, why are people leaving us? Who is likely to buy next month? Where are we losing money? Your job is to look at that data and pull out answers like a detective, but with Python instead of magnifying glass. So the tool skills you need for this are Python or R, SQL, machine learning basics like regression, classification or clustering, data visualization tools like Matplotlib, Tableau, and the core skills required for this are statistics and probability, storytelling with data, because finding the insight is only half the job. Explaining it to your non-technical boss is the another half. So salary ranges for this are in India 8 to 30 LPA and for USA $90,000 to $1,60,000. Role 2 is AI ML engineer. If data scientist is the chef who creates the recipe, AI engineer is the one who builds the restaurant. A data scientist might train a model that predicts fraud in bank transaction, but who actually takes that model, wraps it in an API, connects it to the banking app, and make sure it runs 24/7 without crashing. That's the AI engineer. This role is where data science meets software engineering. You need to know how to build models and how to deploy them in real systems. So the tool skills required for this are Python, Core ML libraries, REST APIs, Fast API, cloud platforms like AWS, GCP, Azure, Docker, and basic DevOps. And the core skills required for this are system thinking and communication between data teams and software teams. The salary range varies from 10 LPA to 35 LPA in India and $1 lakh to $1,75,000 in USA. And the fun fact, many job postings says Gen AI engineer or LLM developer. It's basically the same role, just focused on LLM models like ChatGPT. Same foundation, slight specialization. The third role is NLP engineer. Think about every time you have talked to a chatbot, used Google Translate or gotten an email summary auto-generated. Someone built that someone is NLP engineer, natural language processing. This is a specialized AI engineer who focuses on making machine understand and generate human language. If an AI engineer is a general doctor, NLP engineer is a neurologist. Same medical degree but deep specialization. Extra skills required for this are NLP fundamentals like tokenization, embedding, transformers, and libraries like Hugging Face and strong knowledge of LLMs, how they work, fine-tuning RAG pipelines. And salary ranges are same as AI engineer, sometimes higher for senior roles at product companies. So fourth role is computer vision engineer. Tesla's self-driving car sees a stop sign and brakes. A security camera detects an intruder. Your phone unlocks with your face. None of that works without a computer vision engineer. Where NLP is about language, computer vision is about images and video, teaching machines to see and understand the visual world. The extra skills required for this are computer vision fundamentals like edge detection, CNNs, object detection, and libraries like OpenCV, YOLO, PyTorch Vision, and dataset handlings for images. And salary ranges is same as AI ML engineer, and the niche roles at companies like autonomous vehicles or medical imaging can go much higher. I also want to mention here that both NLP and computer vision roles sometimes ask for a master's or PhD, especially at research heavy companies like Google, Meta, or Bloomberg. But most of these industry roles require a strong portfolio that beats a degree every time. Fifth role is ML Ops engineer. Here's a role that most people sleep on, and that's exactly why it's a great opportunity right now. You know how in software companies there are DevOps engineers who make sure code is automatically tested, deployed, and monitored. ML Ops is that, but for AI models. Because here's what most people don't realize. Training a model is maybe 20% of your work and the other 80%. Making sure it keeps working correctly in production, retaining it when it drifts, and monitoring its performance. That's MLOps. Tools skills required for this are MLflow, SageMaker, Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD pipelines, Python, and basic ML understanding. Who should consider this? If you are already a DevOps or backend engineer, this is your fastest path to AI. You already know 70% of your job. So the salary range for this is 12 to 35 LPA in India and $110,000 to $170,000 in USA. And I also want to mention here about data analyst and data engineer. Quick but important. For data analysts, think of them as a BI dashboard person. Power BI, Tableau, SQL. They answer questions like how did sales perform last quarter? No AI needed, just clean, clear insights. Still extremely valuable. Data engineer, this is an unsung hero of every AI project. If AI engineers are chefs, data engineers are the farmers who grow and deliver all the ingredients. Without a clean data pipeline, there is no AI. This role is growing fast. Both are excellent entry points into AI ecosystem. So now let's talk about non-technical roles. Okay, technical folks, don't go anywhere. You will want to know these exist too. And if you have been watching and thinking I'm not a coder and is AI even for me, this section is for you. So the sixth role is AI product manager. Netflix recently posted an AI product manager role with a salary of $9 lakh. That's more than 7 crore in rupees. Let that sink in. What does an API PM do? They are the person who decides what the AI team builds and why. They sit between the business and the users and the engineers. They translate business problems into product features and make sure that the right things get built in right order. You don't write code, but you need to understand the code well enough to have smart conversation about it. So the tool skills required for this are Jira, project management, Figma, basic data analysis like Excel, Power BI. Core skill required for this are business management, stakeholder management, and clear communication. This role is well established in US, still emerging in India, which means early movers right now have huge advantage. So the seventh role is AI ethics executive. This one's fascinating and very underrated. Governments are starting to regulate AI. Companies are getting sued over biased algorithms. Someone needs to make sure that AI systems are fair, legal, and don't accidentally discriminate against people. That someone is AI ethicist. If you have a background in law, policy compliance, or a philosophy, this is genuinely your lane. Salary ranges lies between 15 to 40 LPA at large firms in India and $80,000 to $160,000 in USA. Eighth role is AI sales executive, the last one, and don't underestimate it. Every AI company in the world needs someone who can walk into a boardroom and explain why their AI product is worth 50 lakhs. That's not a job for engineers. That's a job for skilled salesperson who understands AI. The person who combines sales skills with AI knowledge are making serious money. Fixed salary plus commission. Some top performers are pulling $3 lakh to $4 lakh a year in US purely from commission on AI deals. So the tool skills required for this are CRM tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, and DocuSign and proposal tool. Core skills required for this are existing sales or client-facing experience, AI ML literacy where you don't code but you understand the value. Okay, so we have covered 8 parts and I promised you that one question to figure out which one is yours. Am I more excited by building the thing or by deciding what the thing should do? If you love building, experimenting, writing code, training models, go with technical. Start with data science or AI engineering. If you love strategy, communication, influencing people, understanding business, go to non-technical. Product management or AI sales might be your calling. If you are in DevOps already, MLOps is right for you. If this video helped you to get clarity, smash that like button. It generally helps this reach more people who needs it. And also drop a comment with which role interests you most. And I will read all of them. So see you in the next one.